Okay, so we have a harder problem here involving the cosine rule. So we're going to put down again what we know. These rowers start off from the same point. Harriet goes north 70 degrees east. So I draw my little compass and she goes north 70 degrees towards the east for 2,000 metres. So that's 2,000 metres, and that there is north 70 degrees towards the east. The other rower, Kate, she rows south 15 degrees towards the west. So south, but 15 degrees towards the west. So that there is 15 degrees. And she rows not as far, 1,800 metres. It wants to know how far apart these two rowers are. So in other words, it wants to know this distance here, how far apart the two girls are. So let's call that x, for example. We can use and the diagram in your textbook is up above, but we can use the cosine rule for this. For the cosine rule, we need two sides, 1, 2, and the included angle. Now we can work out what this angle is here. This component of it is 15. This component of it is 90. This component of it is 20, because the 70 and the 20 make a right angle. So if we add those three up, those three angles total an angle of 125 degrees. So we now have two sides and the included angle. So we can write our rule. C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. That's if we call this side the C. And then that's the angle C. So let's write in what we know. We're trying to find C squared. Let's call this, for example, A, and this B. So we've got 2,000 squared plus 1,800 squared minus 2 times 2,000 times 1,800, because B is 1,800, times by the cos of 125. Earlier on we talked about how we found that the angle was 125. If we put that into our calculator, C squared is equal to approximately 11369,750.342. We want to find what C is, not what C squared is, so we take the square root of that number above, pop that into our calculator, rounding it off to 2 decimal points. C is approximately 3371.91. So if one girl rowed 2,000 metres in one direction, the other 1,800 in the other direction, they end up 3371.91 metres apart. It started as a sentence, so we finish. The rowers, or we can mention their name, but the rowers will do. The rowers are 3371.91 metres, remembering our units, apart. That there is from your textbook. It's work example 6.